Hello Bankera friends, I'm Eileen and today we're having Thammy, who is from Brazil and now working for Bankera's marketing team. Today she's going to share her view of cryptocurrency market in Brazil. Hello Thammy.
Hello.
Can you introduce yourself to everyone?
Sure. Should I do it in Portuguese?
That'd be nice.
Ok. Então, olá, eu sou a Thammy, eu sou brasileira, nasci e cresci em São Paulo. Eu sou formada em Relações Públicas e Relações Internacionais e eu trabalho com marketing digital e redes sociais. Aqui no Bankera, eu sou responsável pela comunidade de língua portuguesa.
Thank you. So first question, what are Brazilian Portuguese common view regarding blockchain or digital banking?
Well, they see digital banks as a global trend, so they're really happy to have Bankera fulfilling this role. For them, the idea of having a fully functioning digital bank that will work with both crypto and fiat currencies really appeals to them.
What's the most common reason for them to participate?
Well, they want an alternative to traditional banks, to traditional investments, and also by participating in our pre-ICO and then in our ICO, our Brazilian and Portuguese investors, they feel like they're contributing to make this a reality. They want to look back after some years and be able to say, yes, I was there, I was part of it from the beginning.
What's their most common feedback?
Well, mainly our Brazilian community sees Bankera as a very ambitious project, which actually motivates them to invest on us. So we are not just a card, just an exchange. We are going to be a digital bank, working for as many places as we can and offering a range of services.
What do you think about Bankera project?
Well, as someone who comes from a place where big traditional institutions usually get the advantages and innovative ideas are sometimes dismissed just for challenging the status quo, it's great to be part of a project that wants to change that. We want to offer our services to as many places as we can, and we want to offer the most optimal solution for each individual and each business client.
What is it like to work for Bankera?
Well, my first contact with crypto was actually doing an internship here around 3 years ago. So it was great to be back and see how much we are evolving and then to have this opportunity to introduce Bankera to our Portuguese-speaking community. It's great to know that we are giving them this opportunity to have more control and independence over their finances.
Oh, that's really nice to hear. We're happy to have you back, by the way.
Thank you. I'm happy to be back too.
Do Brazilians believe cryptocurrencies are the currency of the future?
Yes, absolutely, they do. They have already noticed that more people are talking about it, more people are using it. So they actually see that this is only going to grow in the future and cryptos will become an actual alternative to fiat currencies.
How do Brazilians see the potential of cryptocurrencies in their daily life?
They're really looking forward to when they will be able to use cryptos to make daily payments. At the moment, cryptos, they're more of an investment in Brazil. So our Brazilian investors are really waiting for our debit cards and other solutions to be available for their everyday use.
What are the common obstacles in banking in Brazil?
Well, mainly excessive bureaucracy, high costs, and lack of credibility. It really takes a long time for banks to develop a new service, to offer a new product, and it's also difficult as a client to have access to them.
Okay, so the last question, is there a need for digital payment in Brazil?
Yes, absolutely. Brazilians, they want a fast, safe, simple way of making payments, both as individuals and as business. And for example, many of us have parents, family abroad or friends, and it's very difficult to make transactions. So Bankera now comes as a cheaper and fast alternative for cross-border transactions.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you, Thammy. We are really happy to have you today.
Thank you. I was really happy to be here.
Thanks. So thank you for watching. Until next time.